Click on the link below to get price. The YorkE 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive addition to the world of electric vehicles, combining power, convenience, and portability. With a robust 1000W motor, it offers a peppy riding experience, making hills and long distances feel manageable. The bike accelerates quickly, allowing riders to navigate through urban areas efficiently and enjoyably. One of the standout features is the 48V 20AH large removable battery. This ensures a generous range, typically up to 50 miles on a single charge, which is perfect for commuting or leisurely rides. The battery's removable design adds flexibility, allowing users to charge it indoors or swap it out for a spare on longer trips. The battery also has a solid build, giving peace of mind regarding longevity and durability. The bike's folding mechanism is seamless, allowing for easy storage and transport. Whether you're throwing it in the trunk of a car or stowing it in an apartment, it folds down compactly without sacrificing structural integrity. This feature is particularly useful for urban dwellers or those with limited storage space. At approximately 66 pounds, it's a bit heavier than some competitors, but the added weight contributes to its overall sturdiness and stability. The dual disc brakes provide impressive stopping power, enhancing safety, especially in urban environments. The bike also features a comfortable seat and adjustable handlebars, catering to various rider heights and preferences. The front suspension fork absorbs shocks effectively, making rides smooth even on bumpy roads or trails. The bike's design is sleek and modern, available in several attractive colors. LED lights and reflectors improve visibility, making night rides safer. Overall, the YorkE 1000W folding electric bike excels in performance, versatility, and design. It's a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their daily commute or enjoy weekend adventures without the hassles of traditional biking.